Right. Am I freaking live? Should be. Pretty sure I am. Anyway. What news is this? Okay, red folder news. That's going to affect ES and NQ at 2:45. That's in 45 minutes. Got ya. Okay, so basically here's what I'm looking at. We made relatively equal lows earlier today. I'll show you where that is. You know what, actually it's probably better to show you on here. So all of these relatively, actually it wasn't even today, this was yesterday. You see all of this anyway, you see these relatively equal lows all stacked right here, all of this consolidating right here, engineering liquidity. I expect that to get ran. If it doesn't get ran, then it doesn't get ran, but we have just taken buy side liquidity. Now I noticed when we did that, we started engineering more liquidity. So we're failing to take this high up here, which is the internal high that I do want to see get swept, to be honest. We have this fair value gap right here that's just been created, but I'm looking to see a market maker sell model, to be honest, and it's I like that we've slowed down right now, but what I want to see is I want to see displacement now, of course. Maybe we can use this fair value gap right here to come up, take this buy side, and maybe we'll see something like this. We come up, wick it, displace through this low, create a fair value gap, trade to that fair value gap, and continue going lower. That is what I would like to see today. Well, what you'll notice about all of these streams is that it's the same thing every single time, right? If I'm expecting lower prices and I'm seeing bullish fair value gaps, then I can still use that to frame my bias. I can kind of frame it in my way and say like that we'll use this bullish fair value gap to take the internal high to then sell off. So like this has a purpose, like this fair value gap. You just got to think, if you're bearish, what purpose would this fair value gap form? What purpose would it serve? We could still be very, very bullish. I'm prepared for that, but in order for me to actually take a short and target this fair value gap down here, and maybe this consolidation right here, could be sell side, but I'll probably take major partials off at this fair value gap right here. It's possible we come down to those equal lows, but it's a stretch. It's a stretch for sure. That's more of a swing trade type shit, and I definitely don't want to do that. Because the daily is still bullish. Okay, yeah, what I want to see us basically just disrespect this bullish value gap right here, and like I said, just, you know, displace through this low. Have a market structure shift, a nice clean one. We still haven't taken this high right here. We're continuing to create all of this liquidity up here. I think we might fake people out, and then we're going to take this buy side, and then we're just going to fucking surprise everyone and just capitulate to the downside. I always like to think about the different ways in which the market likes to cause you pain and suffering. So let me just think, if I was to take this trade, if I took this trade without this high getting taken, that would be the only problem with it. But if we get clean displacement, like through this low, like a clean with a big fair value gap, did take this high here. So technically we have taken a high, it's just not the high that I wanted to see get taken. And this high failed to displace, but I still think this is engineered liquidity, and I'm still going to anticipate this high to get ran until price proves me wrong. Oh, let me just call my mate. He's supposed to be coming over and he never ever does. Market's not gonna fucking wait for him. He's had a whole hour to get changed and get his ass here.
No, I'm bad man. I'm on my way. I'm actually not lying this time.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not lying. I promise.
It's fine. The market's moving without you. You've missed your ways now.
I know.
Just hurry up, bro.
I've been like having an existential crisis, bro. I'm sorry.
I understand, bro.
No, I'm coming now. Literally, I'm not lying to you. I'm dressed. I'm coming.
Are you riding your bike here or what?
Yeah, I'm riding there. Yeah, I'll literally be there in like 2 minutes.
Right. Okay.
I've just literally been like complaining about having to pay 80 quid to the gym for 2 months, but it's 30 quid a month. But yeah, I'll speak to you when I get there.
Okay.
Alright, speak.
Sweet. Safe. So we've got that clean displacement leg now that I wanted. That's nice and clean. Exactly how I wanted it to be. Now I want to see us trade up into this fair value gap right here, and I'll go short once it gets created. If not, I've got this one right here. Just gotta wait for that to close. What I'll do is I'll put market buy, not market buy limit. I'll put 5 there, because everything we wouldn't displace through these lows if we hadn't taken enough liquidity right there. That's just common sense essentially. Okay, so that fair value gap's been created. See if I can get an entry on this. It's moving quite quick though. Right. This fair value gap. my stop above that high, targeting this low. Not really a big fan of that risk to reward. Why is it better risk to reward on? Yeah, well, might even enter a bit of drawdown on this trade, but did we create a 5-minute fair value gap or anything? No.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna enter into this trade over here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, wrong
Order
one.
filled.
Why is it on there?
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. Let's see if I can get in on over here. So DP 21.9.971. Take profit there. 1, 2 knots. We do have this fair value gap right here. It's overlapping right here. Obviously, that would have been the the better entry, of course, but price display is quite far, so I was like probably might close within this fair value gap, and then my stop's far away anyway. It's okay. Risk to reward isn't really there on this trade. Okay, we're starting to move now. I'm just gonna go into the 1 minute and just have a look at this a second. Risk to reward isn't really. Alright, now I'll go back to my original risk, 27.50. Okay, we respected this. That's very telling. Very telling. Okay, anyway, what I want to look at now is, I'm just going to load off of this for a second, log into here so you can see the trade I took on my prop account. So it's basically 1 to 2 on M&Q. I'm willing to move my stop now. We've respected this bearish fair value gap. We shouldn't close above that. Order flow should continue to remain bearish. Really, if we close above this like high right now, that's hopefully just an internal high that gets taken. the drawdown is a definitely necessary part of this trade, just based off like where I've entered. There was no other entry, to be honest. If I entered here, there was no market structure shift, and then if I entered through here on this candle with still no market structure shift, there was like, and then if I entered on this candle right here, that would just be the same entry I have now. So, okay. Obviously we've created another bearish fair value gap right there. Hope to see us respect that. Okay, I hope this fair value gap right here to act as a breakaway gap. So I will be moving my stop right here, and I'll add some to my position. So I've increased the risk to reward on my trade. The risk is the same. Bearish order flow is clearly in play right now, so we should be on the sell side of the curve currently. I'm just going to go back to manage this trade I have on right here. Same thing, I expect this to act, this right there, to act as a breakaway gap. I'll be moving my stop right there, mitigate my risk if it were to reverse on me. Yeah, quite happy with the risk to reward on that trade there. Quite happy with this trade. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. That's fine. See, that's not really what I want to see right now. ES just took this low down here. These relatively equal lows. Okay, looks like we're pushing up right now for no reason. So what can I do? Do I have this fair value gap up here? Could just take this internal high. I'm going to take a look at this fair value gap right here, just as another draw on liquidity to take partials at. So what is that? That's weird. Is that like a 15-minute as well? Like, no. I'll take partials when I see something that I don't like. going to suffer some drawdown now. We might come up and take this internal high. Looking at the 5 minute, I don't really like the 5 minute currently. So this leg higher, there's no actual real like 5 minute market structure shift. So that fair value gap will come to and respected to the tick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of this trade, and then if I see, you know what, I'm going to wait for us to take this internal high first. I'm going to be a bit more patient, because that there does look quite stacked. Fucking burger.
Ja.
Oh my god.
Ja, bra.
Yeah, that's your coffee there.
Mooi.
What's been good, man?
Nothing's been good. So, long day.
Fair, man.
Long day, bro.
No, that'll be fine.
Here you go, bro. What one's my coffee? The one in the cup?
Yeah.
Sweet, bro. Thank you. Perfect drinking temperature. Gee, I just hear it playing through your headphones.
You do that.
Right, saved information from Snapchat to instantly fill in this form. Okay. Send OTP over NVM and SMS. What, I get $50 free? USD $50 when you sign up now.
Maybe.
It's not sent me the message yet, so no, I'm gonna wait. What is that? Is that a burger?
Yeah, it's a palm chicken burger.
You sell that at Gale's?
Yeah, I have it nearly every day.
Oh, I didn't know you sold that.
Yep.
I would have bought that yesterday if you told me.
We only sell it while kitchen is still
It
active.
says please enter the... Oh, it's because it's cooked plus 4 there as well.
From like, we sell it up until like 2 PM, and we sell it from like, I'd say like 11 AM till 2 PM. So not that long, to be honest. But
Okay, so what is it? 3... No. What? Why is it doing it from there? So 398791. I've got a demo account. I'm downloading the app. So I'm making a Vantage account instead of a Topstep.
Yeah. This is the first time I've ever gotten over that 1,000 mark. Ever since I stopped giving a fuck.
Hold on.
That's what I mean. Like, Justin kept saying it to me. Like, I don't like the least. Like, trust me. The least effort you put in, you get the most out. The more effort I put in, the less I get out.
Yeah.
So, like, bizarre. Yeah. Do you even have 50? No, you don't need that.
Oh, I can borrow 50. I'm just going to have less money to pay bills next month, but it's fine. Hopefully if this works out, then I'll be able to, like... It'll be equalised, won't it?
You're not withdrawing the money from checking.
No, I'm not withdrawing it, but I'm going to say it's going to equalise. I'm going to have the money still, it's just going to be in my other account. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not like I'm taking out 50 quid, I'm not getting it back. I'm taking 50 quid out and I'm putting it into something that needs putting in.
Yeah.
I'm not taking it out, obviously. Dark mode.
Even if you needed it in an emergency, it doesn't withdraw straight away.
Yeah, I know.
It takes like a day or two.
Alright, sign up. I have to sign up into the thing. Wait, no, I need to log in.
That's some crispy burnt Cecil, what are you doing? Cecil.
It says incorrect account details. Oh, no, it's because I put 07. I need Google Authenticator as well.
Do you?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it just so I can't fuck it up.
Oh, okay.
I don't want no one stealing my account, you know.
Fair.
Like, with your, passwords and shit, if you put an easy password, or, is it the same as the rest of your other passwords?
I don't have a password on mine.
What?
Yeah. It was possible on my phone, but like not on the actual app itself. No.
So anyone could log into your Vantage and trade on it?
I suppose, yeah.
That's bad. I wouldn't fuck that. How does my key have a legal character? I don't know, I'm not doing this Google authentication shit, yeah. I'm not doing it. Two-factor authentication, that's alright. So what do I do? So my demo account's got 10k in it or some shit. What? I don't know what's going on. You do this.
Open it on there. Like log in on the internet, search Vantage and try and like log in on the internet.
I just was.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it told me to download the app. That's what I mean, it told me to download it. 15 years of Vantage. I should have went Greg's before I come here, man. Should have, but I would have, could have. I don't have an email for my account or phone number. No, first name is Von. What do I do, Key? It says Vantage. First name Vantage, and then
You're trying to log in.
put my name in it, yeah?
Did you sign up on the app, right?
Bro, I made a demo account. That's what it made me do. What you gave me, you signed me up to a demo account. You know that, right?
It signed you up to Vantage.
No,
and
it
gave you a
said
demo
it
account.
signed me up to a demo account. What's that?
Just go to client portal login. Put
That's
in
what I
the
just
phone
did. That's
number
what I
and
just
the
did.
Password.
That's what I just did.
Okay.
And it comes up with this.
Oh, sweet. Then I guess it wants you to put that. Do it.
That's what I'm asking. Do I leave it as Vantage 1715, or what do I do?
Is your first name Vantage?
Well, that's what I mean, but it's in there already. That's what I'm just saying. It was written in there. I didn't put that in there.
Yeah, rewrite it.
It should just say put your name in instead of Vantage 1715. Why is it auto-correcting my email?
I hate phones.
No, but it shouldn't be auto-correcting an email at all. Right.
Okay. Training view again. GBP. Yes, of conditions. Next.
needs to ID verification. I haven't bought my ID. Should have told me to bring all this shit. Like, if it's going to want me to put money in it, it's going to need my ID, don't I?
Apparently not.
What am I doing? Am I putting my card details in to take money out of my card?
Yeah.
So I need to put 50 quid in it?
Yeah.
So I ain't got 50 quid in it right now. I'm gonna have no money for next month. Imagine it takes my money and this is a fake Vantage account.
Imagine that, G.
I've lost my 50 quid, I've just got no money this month. I'm gonna save the card for the next purchase, no. I don't want to save that shit. Credit card details, there. Deposit £50. Oh, I missed a trade yet.
Not really.
You don't want to log out. That's my account.
Yeah, it's not showing you live. I need to log out and back in.
Oh, what? Because it's not ringing on. Okay. Log in. My email, because I've got my email. Does it have my email? No, I don't. Yeah, my live account's got 50 in it. Have you got any cookies left from yesterday? No? Allowed them all, haven't you?
No, not,
I swear down I saw a cookie in here yesterday.
got rid of them all. Those are from like fucking some time ago. Some time ago.
Alright, say no. I should have bought my cheesy chips with me, I would have microwaved them or some shit. Or put them in the air fryer and some barbecue sauce. Oh, now I'm going to have to go and get my cheesy chips. I'll do it after this. Yeah, I'll probably bring my cheesy chips here.
Is there no one at home that can get you your ID in that?
No. Who do you think's at home? Mum's a while.
Nothing you can do until then.
Well, so I'm just going to have to go get my ID. I'm just going to miss out my trade today, yeah? Well, yeah, it's already hit.
No, it's not the news. It's like the news started hitting before it actually like came out. It's quite weird.
Red folder at 2:45. Yeah, it's already 2:30 already.
It's not. It wasn't supposed to. I wasn't expecting it to do it. right now.
You could have put it up a bit higher as well. Would have been nice.
Hmm.
Some mad movement right now. You want me to go get my ID then?
No. There's no point. We'll explain it tomorrow.
Yeah, but I need to do this today though. I'd rather do it today. I want to go get my cheesy chips and eat them. Because I haven't eaten today.
So why did you come here?
Because you asked me to. I've been having an existential crisis all day. I wanted to just get out of my house because I'm just causing more issues for myself.
Still have to feed yourself.
Well, I don't think about that, do I? It's not like my top priority, is it?
I suppose not.
I don't really have any food in my house either. Got takeaway last night and that's it.
Damn. I mean, you can, but it's like...
No point, well, you'd have to put another trade in today if you wanted to. It's already coming back down. Might buy pounds off it, but who knows.
The thing is, there's no point just copying my trades, but I want to like... I might even lose these fucking trades, I don't even care. But when we took this high, this buy side liquidity, we put in a higher high. On ES, what time is that? Why is it on the 5? Put them both on the 5, can't I? You see that high and that high are the same. Yeah. That high is the same as that high. They're both like the same. So NQ took out this high, ES didn't take out this high. So we put in bearish SMT. After we took that buy side liquidity, we rebalanced. We didn't like, we just rebalanced to this fair value gap in the middle. From low to high, this is the fair value gap in the center, which is the one that it came to, which was also equilibrium of this leg from low to high. And also, I was expecting shorts initially, I'm not gonna lie. I was just taking this buy side. Usually when we take buy side, we start selling off. We have to put in bearish SMT as well. Then ES is still grinding in this value gap con. It's being like held within it. want to get out of this. I'm going to look out for today. Yes, look me out. Look me out. Okay. Nah, there aren't any more trades today anyway. But the thing is, I think what I need to get you to understand is what these things mean. Like what, like I'm saying.
No, just I feel like my head's filled up with too much shit to even play any more stuff in it. You don't understand what I'm dealing with recently. Like, I wish I could tell you, but I just feel like I put you in shit. Because then you'd be worried about me too much.
I already know how bad. I already know your
No,
mental
G,
health
you
is fucking bad.
don't. You don't know how bad it is. I don't know. It's just hard. I don't even think about anything anymore. My brain's empty. It still just hurts me. I don't know how to explain it.